Now we are going to witness the unveiling of the pylon of the world's largest integrated renewable energy storage project. This is a proud moment for Greenco. Everybody to step out to witness the unveiling of the pylon, and this ceremony will be followed by concrete pouring ceremony for this prestigious, proud project. Honorable Chief Minister is currently unveiling the pylon of the world's largest integrated renewable energy storage project. What a proud moment, ladies and gentlemen. I request you all to kindly applaud for this proudest moment towards sustainable future, towards sustainable... about to witness the concrete pouring ceremony of the world's largest integrated renewable energy storage project. This project has a capacity of 5,230 megawatts. Yes, our Honorable Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan sir is all happy as he walks towards the future, as he walks towards laying the foundation of the future of the world. The concrete pouring ceremony of this project by Greenco. I request you all to kindly step out to witness this proud ceremony that's happening right now on the hands of the Honorable Chief Minister.